Hello everyone, my dear students of class 4th. Welcome back in your St. Mary's YouTube video channel in your computer classes. Hope you have understood the lesson. In our last video, we have taken the explanation of lesson number 6, which is stepwise thinking, okay? Stepwise thinking, and today we are going to do our exercise as well as the question answers, okay? For that, you may open your notebook and write today's date proper way. Write down the lesson number 6, lesson name. Okay. So first of all, we are going to take our exercise number B, which is fill in the blanks. Okay. See, our first question is, complicated tasks are converted into simple steps by dash. Tell me the answer, beta. Complicated tasks are converted into simple steps by dash. That is stepwise thinking. Okay, write down stepwise thinking. So this is our first one. Now second one, dash is a logical form of thinking. It's reasoning. Okay, this one, reasoning. Reasoning is a logical form of thinking. Now third one, it is necessary to dash step by step to perform each step of activity. So how we have to think? We have to make plan. Okay, so it is necessary to plan. Here, second last, step by step to perform each step of activity. Now fourth one and last one, problem solving is a dash as well as a dash. So problem solving is a skill, okay, as well as a process. Understood? A skill as well as a process. Once again, complicated tasks are converted into simple steps by stepwise thinking. Second, reasoning is a logical form of thinking. Third, it is necessary to plan step by step to perform each step of activity. And fourth, problem solving is a skill as well as a process. Okay? Now, coming towards our part C, which is MCQs, multiple choice question, and tick the right option. So first one is, the first step in writing your exam paper would be to. Okay, so these are your options, read out. And the correct answer is, read the entire question paper carefully. Okay, C. C is correct answer. Now second, reasoning is related to logic, language, imagination, sports. Yes, reasoning is related to logic. Understood? A. Then next question, question number third. On the very next page, the correct process of problem solving involves this order of steps. Which one? The correct steps you have to tell. First, think, plan, analyze. B, analyze, plan, think. C, think, analyze, plan. Or D, plan, think and analyze. So the correct answer is C. That is, first of all, we have to think, then we have to analyze. Okay, we have to make its parts. Okay, and then we have to make the plan finally. Okay, so third, C is the correct answer. Then fourth one, the main step in the task of reaching your school on bicycle would be to wipe it clean, check its brakes and chain, sit on its seat or ride it to school. So the main step we have to tell. Okay, so D1 is the correct, ride it to school. Understood? Now last one, fifth, this would not be a step in planning a picnic. Tell me which one. These are your options. Tell me and read the question properly. This would not be a step in planning a picnic. So C, selecting the kind of watch to wear. Okay, no need to see this one. Rest others are the part of planning of the picnic. For example, deciding the picnic spot, selecting, conveyance, and last one is deciding schedule. Okay, all these are necessary, but C part is not necessary. Now, coming towards our A part, which is answer the following questions. Already we have prepared. We are ready for writing down the questions. So, see, first question, what is stepwise thinking? Okay, you know very well. In capital letter, you have to start your sentence. So, what is stepwise thinking? The answer is stepwise thinking helps in conveying complex tasks into simple steps. Okay. Now, second one, what is reasoning? Reasoning is a form of logical thinking which aims at achieving a specific goal. Okay. And the last one is, what do you mean by problem solving? So the answer is, problem solving is a process which involves a number of steps to be taken. Okay? Problem solving is a process which involves a number of steps to be taken. So this is your work. Okay? With this, your lesson number 6 is completed. So what is your homework? Your homework is to complete your exercise, complete your question answers, and maintain your copy well as you have to learn the work. Understood? Till then, take care. Okay.